Your smartphone stores personal photos, private messages, banking apps, and important information that should stay protected. If you share your phone with friends or family, adding an extra layer of security to your apps is a smart idea. In this guide, you'll learn how to lock apps on any Android phone using a trusted app locker. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store from your home screen or app drawer. In the search bar at the top or bottom, type App Lock and search for a trusted app locker. Step 2. Choose a highly rated app such as AppLock Pro or another trusted option with good reviews and millions of downloads. Tap the install button and wait for the app to finish downloading and installing on your phone. Step 3. Once installed, open the app locker. The app will ask you to create a master PIN, password, or pattern lock. Choose a strong password that you can remember easily. If your phone supports fingerprint unlocking, you can also enable the fingerprint lock feature for faster and more secure access. Step 4. The app may ask for permissions like usage access, display over other apps, or accessibility permissions. These permissions are necessary because the app locker needs permission to place a lock screen over selected apps. Follow the on-screen instructions and enable all required permissions. Step 5. Inside the app locker, you will see a list of installed apps on your phone. Scroll through the list and find the apps you want to protect, such as Gallery, WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, or Settings. Tap the lock icon next to each app to secure it instantly. Step 6. Go back to your home screen or app drawer and open one of the locked apps. You should now see a password, PIN, or fingerprint prompt before the app opens. This confirms that the app lock is working successfully and your apps are now protected. Stay secure and keep your apps private. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android tips and tutorials.